Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you how to remove grease stains from clothes. This method is very simple and fast. You can use it if you need to get rid of a greasy stain but you cannot wash or soak the thing. For example, if you need to remove oil stains on a sofa, on a jacket, on a carpet or on a car seat. These are the greasy spots on my home t-shirt. Even though I wear this t-shirt at home, I don't want it to look like this, so now I will remove all these stains. So, to get grease stains out of clothes and not only, sprinkle it well with baking soda. Next, cover the baking soda with a clean sheet of paper and put a kitchen towel or cotton cloth on top. With a heated iron, start ironing the greasy stains sprinkled with baking soda. Please note that you don't need to iron the item completely, but only the area sprinkled with baking soda. By the way, my iron is very hot. I choose cotton mode. You choose the temperature that is best suited for the clothes you will be ironing. I iron the t-shirt for 1 minute. I remove the towel, paper, sweep away the soda with my hand. I think you see, it turned out to remove greasy stains in this way. Everything is very fast, simple, the thing is not damaged. The result is simply amazing. This method is ideal for me. In order to get rid of grease stains on clothes, it remains only to wash the t-shirt. Well friends, I hope you liked this method of how to remove greasy stains on clothes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, I have many interesting videos. Thank you all for watching, bye!